everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Crystal Chanel, and today I am going to be doing something that I have not done in a very long time, and I've really never had great success with it. So not even sure why I'm doing it, but oh well, we're just gonna get right into it. I am going to be trying to do a twist and curl today with my hair using Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls and the Nairobi mousse for my ends. I'll also use wrapping paper, and as far as the size, let's see, as far as the size rollers today, I think that I'll be combining these two together. So yeah, we're gonna see how this goes. We'll jump right into it, go ahead and get started, and yeah, we'll come back and show you what the end results look like. Stay tuned. so I am going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my hair, and then we will come back. I'll dry it and I'll show you the end results. I do plan on stretching it, depending on just, we'll see. I don't know yet, but stay tuned for the final results. I'll go ahead and finish this all up, and I'll see you all later. Bye. All right, so I am back. I just got from under the dryer. You see I still have some of my paper ends on my hair, and I'm gonna take this down. But I do want to point out that I remember now why I kind of stopped doing this style, because drying time takes forever, and I don't know. It's just too much. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start taking these down so we can get an idea of what this looks like. To help me take it down, I'm going to use some of this Olaplex bonding oil. so here are the final results. It came out pretty fluffy. I do have some flaking that's going on, but I know that once I kind of hit the blow dryer a little bit, it will go away. So I'm not worried about that. My hair feels very soft. Again, it is fluffy as all outdoors, and for once I don't think that I'm going to actually stretch my hair at all. I'm gonna leave it at this length. I like this. It looks pretty classic to me. Yeah, this is pretty. One reason why I wanted to go with dark black hair again is because it looks so shiny and so healthy. I did kind of trim it myself not too long ago, so I have somewhat of a curly cut, but not a lot. And this is just it naturally done without being stretched. So if I can get past the sitting under the dryer time, the 1.5 hour and 45-minute time frame, I may be okay with wearing this for a little bit. But we won't really be able to tell until we kind of go out and start running some errands and going about our day, because I do live in Houston. So the humidity here is pretty bad, but now that the colder weather has come in, we may be okay. So yeah, what do you all think? This is my twist and curl that I did today, and yeah, I like it. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Come back, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, like the video, and hit that notification bell. I'll see you next time. Bye.